Okay, so with the copper in place, let's take a moment to talk about putting the drills into the drill head correctly. Okay, so you grab your drills, whatever size you're going to be using. The machine should be asking you for the right one when it comes time. And so you want to get just one out of the drill set here, and you just kind of pull on this way in order to get it out. We're just going to be using a number 60 drill here, for example. So, in order to get the head back from its material changing position, you're going to want to issue the tool change command. Okay, and that'll move the drill all the way up to the front where you can insert the drill into it. All right. Let's go ahead and issue that command now. Okay, so let's have a closer look for now. So you can see here that the mill has come forward a fair bit, but it's not really far enough in order to put the tool into the mill. So what we're going to do now, now that it's in the tool change position, we're going to hit the cancel to prevent it from going back to the previous location. And then we're going to use the jog command to pull it out a little bit further. Okay. And it automatically stops itself before it goes too far, so there's nothing to worry about. It just continue jogging. Okay. Let's zoom out here for a moment. Let's talk about how we're going to get this part in there. So you have your drill bit here, and what you want to do is, first thing, you want to make sure that this is the tightening head for the collet. That's the part for the chuck that holds. This over here is the tightening head for the chuck that holds the drill, or the mill, or whatever it is whatever tool that you're putting in there. Okay. So you want to make sure this piece has two positions. It has the downward position, that is the locked position. You can hear the click on it. And the upwards position, okay, that is that's the unlocked version, okay. So when it's up, when it's in the up direction, you can turn it all the way around and it won't loosen or tighten it, okay. When you push it down, okay, then you can start loosening or tightening the collet. All right. So what you want to do is loosen it up a little bit. Take your drill bit and try not to drop it, and put it into the collet, all the way up to the little colored collar that comes on the drill. Okay, keep it up there with your finger, and then tighten the top portion, and then pull it up so that it locks in place. Okay? Now when you spin this, it should not be turning the drill down here, and the drill should be able to turn freely with just a flick of the finger. Okay? So now let's take a slightly closer look at the action that was going on and putting it in. This is a closer look at putting the drill into the collet, or into the chuck that holds the drill. Okay? So you take it and you put it all the way in, and you hold it there with your finger, and then you tighten the top section, and then you pull up. Okay? And now it should be able to be freely spinnable with just your finger. Okay? That way you know your drill is all the way in, and it's always going to be the same from drill to drill.